Well, guys, Mark brought these out here. Chainsaw Mark brought these out here, and he's getting a little nervous over there. He's don't know if they're gonna sell worth anything.
25. 25 on
the lawn.
All over. Yeah.
15, 17, 15, 17, now 15, 17.
Hey, I'm sure it didn't have to work. Look out.
Says runs great. Number 3, Dale Earnhardt.
15, 17, 15, 17, $15.
$15. So Chainsaw Mark bought this Husqvarna, and further inspection on this, you can see, if you can see it, cracked right there. The oil leaks out of it. So that is a common problem that has happened on some of these. So this will break, and when it breaks, it cracks the block, and then the oil leaks out of it.
Come on.
As you can see, this is the all-wheel drive, and all the pulleys underneath there to make the all-wheel drive go. I wonder if the blade is bent. I wonder if they hit something that made it shift the block that hard and break it. I don't know. You guys know any information about these? This is the Husqvarna LC221A. Has a 625EX Briggs & Stratton series on it. It's a 150cc 6.25. Upcoming next, Chainsaw Mark's Lawnmowers. Hey, before we get to Mark's Lawnmowers, check out this homemade blower.
15. On the air tank, give $10 out of 10. Where would it be 10? Anybody get 5? 5, 6, $5 now 6. Where would it be 6? I'm at $5, 6. 5 and now 6. Where would it be 6? Anybody give 6? $5. Who said it? Give $5 for it. 5.
Nice blower here, guys.
A couple dollars.
Yes!
2, 3. $2 now.
That's a heavy
3.
duty blower.
Anybody give 3? $2 now 3. Where would it be 3? Anybody give 3? $2.
775.
So they're getting close. They're getting close. Selling Chainsaw Mark's Lawnmowers.
Give me $5.
2700 max PSI. Then we have a Husqvarna coming up, guys, and that John Deere weed whacker. Yeah, I told Mark to start these up. He brought this board out.
Get sale lot 19, $50. $50 off, but then we got for the hours on 25. Yep, 25. Look at the hose on that, guys. It's $25. 25. Anybody got $10? $10. 10, 15. I got 10, 15 now 20. $20 off 20. 20 now 5. Yep, 20 now 5. 20 now 5. 20 now 5. 20 now 5. $20.
That power washer, you can't even go to the store and buy that hose for less than $25. So, man, these auctions have some great stuff. Upcoming next, Chainsaw Mark's Lawnmowers.
Weed eater. Somebody give me $25. Yep, 25. Anybody got 25? Anybody got 25? Give me $10. 10, 15, now 20. $20 now 20, now 5. Anybody got 25? John Deere. I got 20 bid now 5. Anybody got 20 now 5. Anybody got 20 now 5. Anybody got 20 now 5. And now $30 out, $30 out, $30 out, 30. $30, $30, $30 now 30. 30. Anybody got $30 out, 30. $25. 4504. Heavy hose.
Husqvarna's up next.
77. On the fence, right there on the roller fence, we give $10 there. 10, give 5.
Coming up.
$5, couple dollars.
Yes.
2,
How much will the Husqvarna bring?
3, anybody give 3? I'm at $2 now 3. Where would have been 3? $2, 77. On the cord right there.
What lot number is that? 20. Start it up. There's a nice mower here. There you go, guys. How much? 500. 500.
470 hours. Three and a half. Three bid, 3.5.
Nice
Anybody
mower,
give 3.5?
guys.
3 now a half, 3.5. Anybody give 3.5? 300 now a half, 3.5. Anybody give 3 1/4?
Yes!
3 1/4, 3.5, 75,
60.
60, 70, 80, 380, gotta be 380, 370, 380, where would have been
Nice
380?
mower, guys.
John, 380, 370, 380, where would have been 380, 370, 380, 380, anybody get 380? 380, 370 number.
Hey, put that.
Hey guys, who would know that so much video takes a lot of space? So I kind of ran out and, well, just watch this. Well guys, I wasn't paying attention to my phone and it ran out of space. So this Scott's went for $25 and this Husqvarna went for $27.50. The weed eaters went for $5 for both of them and $7.50 for both of them. And I ended up buying this Husqvarna for $27.50. It has a Intech V-twin in it. Said it did run. I talked to the guy that owned it. So said it runs. What's Chainsaw Mark doing with a couple push mowers? I don't know. But hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. Get notified every time I put out a new video. Hey, stay tuned and see what Mark gets for his lawnmowers.
18, lot 18.
There goes Chainsaw Mark.
Lot 18 on the push mower. Who gets $50 for it? 50 where? Get 20. $20 on it. 20 where? Would have been 20. Who gets 10? 10, 12 and a half. 12 and a half. 15, 17 and a half. 17 and a half. 20 now 2 and a half. 22 and a half. Now 5. Now 7 and a half. 27 and a half. Now 30. Get 30. What's the new one cost? 30. Now 2 and a half. 32 and a half. Now 5. 35, 7 and a half. 37 and a half, 35, 37 and a half. Anybody get 37 and a half? $35.
35.
78.
We sold the junk one, now we got the good one.
Oh, well, that'll be bad. $20, get 20 on this one. 20 where would have been 20? Get 10. $10.
5 all over.
5,
10,
7 and a half,
10,
10, 12 and a half,
Yeah.
12 and a half, 15, gotta be 15, 17 and a half. Now 20, $20 on it. Get 20, 17 and a half, 20, one start pull, $20, now 2 and a half,
Tell you what, he
22 and a half,
cleans them up, he
25,
gets new spark
20,
plugs in 'em.
25, 22 and a half, 25, anybody get 25, 22 and a half, 25, 22, 56, 429.
Hey, that was pretty fun and interesting. Chainsaw Mark messing around with some lawnmowers. Hey, if you want to know what happened to that Husqvarna that Chainsaw Mark bought, just stay tuned because on an upcoming episode you'll find out. And we'll see you at the auction.